Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of AFI's DIY videos. I'm Katie, and today's video I'll be showing you how to create your very own gel air fresheners. The process for this is very easy and will give you a scented product and be a great addition to diversify your product line. Here's the recipe. For supplies you will need 2 small glass jars, 8 ounces each, hot plate, double boiler, and a stirring utensil. To make 24 ounces of this product you will need 5% or 4 packets of unflavored gelatin, 86.5% or 16 ounces of water, 5% or 2 tablespoons of salt, colorant, 3.5% or 20 milliliters of fragrance. Out of all the amazing fragrances here at AFI, I chose vanilla graham cracker. Wow, that's the perfect sweet scent. Let's get started. Begin by gently pouring 16 ounces of water into the double boiler. Next, sprinkle in your gelatin packets. Heat and stir until gelatin is dissolved. Then remove from heat and add 2 tablespoons of salt. Lastly, add 4 teaspoons of fragrance. Evenly disperse your gel mixture into 2 small jars. And this is optional, but for an upgraded product, you can use colorant. Mix until all are combined. Screw each lid on and let them sit for 24 hours. Your product is now ready to be enjoyed, and it's easy as that. This recipe ended up costing us about $1. You can sell it wholesale for $3 to $4 and retail for $6 to $8. If you like this product, make sure to check out our DIY on how to make fragrant gel beads. That's a wrap on today's DIY. I hope you enjoyed watching this and found this helpful. If you like this video and are interested in creating this product, everything we use in this video will be linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment any future DIYs you'd like to see us do. I'm Katie, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!